Welcome to Beast Useful Tips. Here I will show you how to move apps on your Windows 10 PC to another drive. First of all, open Windows setting in your device. When open settings, tap on apps. Here you can see apps and features. Select app you want to move from one drive to another drive in your device. Tap on move. Select drive from list you want to move. Tap on move. Now you can see moving app to another drive on your Windows 10 PC. Now here you can see transfer app from one drive to another drive on your Windows PC. I hope this tutorial helpful to move app to one folder to another folder on your Windows 10. Please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for get more tips.